John Lewin's done some of that with Robert Durst in this case when he was arrested back in 2015 and charged. What do you think watching this cross, please?
It really is not the typical. I mean, even John Lewin himself technically is a witness because if he's done that interview, at one point I was watching this a few days ago and he was talking about, you said this to me and didn't you say this and didn't I say this? And it was a back and forth. I'm thinking, you shouldn't be doing this cross. Someone else should be doing the cross because technically you had a conversation with him and you're asking about what you said and what he said. It's just the most convoluted thing. Listen, sometimes he's effective, but even when he calls out the evasiveness of the witness and some of the issues and the inconsistencies in the testimony, he's also coming across as a bully. And that in itself, I don't think is very effective. And no jury likes a prosecutor who comes across as a bully. Now, and I mean, I can see some of the tactics. What was really strange to me was also what he said, that and the judge was telling him, giving him advice, basically, saying, start leading the witness, because that is the most effective way to get the witness to give you the story that you want him to give you. You literally put the words in his mouth, you put your theory in his mouth, and he either agrees or disagrees. And I mean, at least I find it the most effective way of doing it as a defense counsel.
Yes.
Basically, that's all we do. As defense counsel, all we do is pretty much in a trial is cross-examine. Sometimes we will have our own witnesses and we'll do some direct examination, but probably 80 to 90% of what we do is cross. And that is the best way to cross, is by leading.
Absolutely.